You are going to love the 2013 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, fog lamps, privacy glass, four-wheel disc brakes, driver illuminated vanity mirror. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.